Welcome back viewers in the course. Now in this lecture we'll work on this my post. So if the user clicks this my post link here in their account, so they can see the posts which are published by them or posted into this discussion form. So we have post right there in the database post table, and that where we have post ID, user ID, topic ID and other details. But we will just target this table using the user ID to get the post right here and display here. And also we need to show the post, and here you can see into parentheses I have just added 3 as a dummy or just as a test. So I will remove this and we will show the real post if this user has posted. So let's just go there to the home page basically and just run a query, a simple small query. So what we will go, we'll do like, we'll say here a new variable user posts will be equal to select static mean all from post where user ID user underscore ID is equal to this ID which we already have above. So that's really simple. Now we'll say run underscore posts is equal to MySQL iQuery connection and then this user underscore post variable. Now here we will use a function MySQL number underscore rows, and we'll save that in a local variable count or just posts is equal to MySQL underscore number underscore rows, and this is the query that we want to count basically. So we will just get the exact posts the specific user has in the table. So we need to just echo that variable here. Variable name is posts. Control S to save and come refresh the page. You can see one post by this user. This has only one post. If I go to another user, for example with this one, you can see this user has 7 posts, and that is dynamic now, automatic. So now for displaying all the posts here associated with this user, I will simply go to get the same function which is display posts, sorry, get post. I'll just copy this whole okay, tell here. Oh sorry, we have selected 2 functions. We need this function basically. Tell here. Tell here. So okay, I have used Control C to copy. It will come just below the page and we'll paste it here. We'll change the name to user underscore posts. That's really simple. and now we'll say when that button is clicked, so in that occasion I will first of all remove this thing. We don't need pagination here. Remove and tell 5 posts we want for the user. So if you want to just show all, then you just remove limit 5, but at the moment we'll check 5 for the specific user. So I'll say here what we have given, okay, that is basically the user ID. I'm talking about this link, my post, which has a user ID UID. If you observe here, it has a user ID u_id is equal to 2, means we need to target the UID variable there. I will say if is set $_get u_id, then in here I will get that ID, and we'll say u_id, a local variable, so it will be equal to $_get and u_id. So we will get the ID, and after that get post, select all from post, where user ID is equal to this UID. Basically order by 1, everything is, the rest of the things are okay. Select all from post where user ID is equal to this ID. Now the rest of the things are okay. So that's fine. Remove the pagination, include pagination. Control S to save, and we have to now create another page right here by going to file menu, and save is this page. Make a copy of this page and we will save it my posts, because we have given this name there, my_post.php. Save it. Now what we need to do is to remove this once again from this page. Remove the form and everything except the one function, which will be now user_posts, and we'll change this title to something like all of your posts. It's really nice, simple. So Control S to save, and now refresh the page, click my post. So you can see all of your posts, only this person post. You can see right here how simply and easily we have done this. Nothing special, just simple. All of your posts, so every person can see their post. For example, if I go and write Jessica, who has only one post there, you can see they click my post, they will see only one post. If I click another person, John Doe, and log in it, what is the password for this user, John Doe? Oh, john@gmail.com. john@gmail.com. Okay, so this person has one post also. If they click their account, I mean my post, so they will see their post. Now here we need to add 3 different links or buttons like this, but 3 different buttons. which will have basically a link to edit and to delete and to view. So that we will do in the next lecture, but in this lecture our goal was to actually first of all dynamically show the my post in here, how many posts this user has, and also if they click so they can see their post only. So this was our goal in this lecture. Now in the next lecture we'll come back and actually will add the links here to this. I will just log in as another user like myself, this one, because this user has 7 posts, so we'll just change it. See you soon.